Welcome to Ma'am Joy's Math Tutorial. Math 6, Quarter 1, Week 1, Lesson 1. Adding and subtracting similar fractions. Before going to our new lesson, let's have a short review on what is similar fraction. Similar fraction is also known as like fractions, or these are the fractions that have the same denominators. For example, 3/8 and 2/8. Then 8/9, 3/9, and 5/9. As you noticed, all the denominators are the same or equal. So now, how are we going to add or subtract similar fractions? In adding or subtracting similar fractions, just add the numerators, then copy only the denominator. And do not forget to always reduce or simplify your answer to its lowest term if possible. Examples. 3/8 plus 2/8 is equal to, the denominators are the same, so copy 8. And just add 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So the answer is 5/8. Next is 4/6 plus 1/6 is equal to, again, copy 6 and just add 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So the answer is 5/6. Next is 8/9 minus 3/9. Similar again. So copy 9 and just subtract 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So the answer is 5/9. Last one is 3/5 minus 2/5 is equal to, copy again 5 and just subtract 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So the answer is 1/5. So all the answers are in its lowest term. There is no GCF, so that will serve as the final answer. Another example is 4/10 minus 2/10 is equal to, the denominators are the same, so just copy 10 and just subtract 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So the answer is 2/10. 2/10 is a proper fraction, so find the GCF, then divide. The GCF of 2 and 10 is 2. So divide 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Then 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So the final answer is 1/5. Another example is 6/10 plus 7/10 is equal to, copy again 10 and just add 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. So the answer is 13/10. This is improper fraction, so change to mixed number. Divide the numerator by the denominator. So 13 as the dividend and 10 as the divisor. 13 divided by 10 is equal to 1. 1 times 10 is equal to 10. 13 minus 10 is equal to 3. So, we have 1 as the whole number, the remainder 3 as the numerator, and the divisor 10 as the denominator. So, the final answer is 1 and 3/10. So, are you ready to answer the exercises? Let's practice this. Try to answer the following exercises. Then, on the next slide, try to check your answers. Good luck. So, are you done? Are you ready to check your answers? So, check your answers on these slides. How is your score? Congratulations. I am Jocelyn M. Betonio, a mathematics teacher. Thank you for watching. Please follow, like, and share my page for more videos.